Hello YouTubers. If you get the shift service light and no lights right here, it'll still go in gear and park and reverse. Use a screwdriver. Pop this up.
Oh, it's connected.
But you have 4 screws, and this right here you just have to delete, disconnect. Got this one at the local junkyard for 20 bucks. Well, the one that's there, and I put it in there and now it's working. So simple fix, alley wrench. I'll see what size this was. This is a trying to see what size it is, but that worked. It was the actual shifter, and now the light's going off. Thank you, YouTubers. Bye.